Mercedes-500 SL. Doors not locking, doors not opening, can't get in the boot. We're pressing the remote key, the red light's lighting up on the key, the indicators are flashing, but the doors are not opening. This is a system with the vacuum operated door locks. So first things first, you kind of think, because the button's working, the lights are flashing, we know the key, the remote's working all right, there's got to be something else relating to the door locks that's not working. First thing we're going to do is check the fuse boxes. On this vehicle you've got 3 fuse boxes that we're concerned about, 2 under the bonnet and 1 behind the driver's seat. If the vehicle's locked, we can get into the car using the key, the emergency key, flick it out the back of the remote, put it in the door and open the doors. We can even open the boot like that if you need to get in the boot. So we've got the car and we have 2 fuse boxes under the bonnet, 1 on the right, 1 on the left. The one we're concerned about though is this one behind the driver's seat. You just remove the little black cover and you're able to see the fuse box. Move the driver's seat forward. Behind the driver's seat we lift the little lid on the compartment, we take the black base out and it reveals the fuse board. I found on this one that the fuse we're looking for is number 58, it's keyless go. Pop that fuse out and have a look, and lo and behold it's blown. So we'll stick a new fuse in there. It's the fuse on the right in the black fuse holder. Pop a new fuse in. Clip the black cover back down, shut the lid, job done. And it all comes back to life. What's made it blow? There's a couple of things it could be. It's a really cold day, and on this vehicle, when you lock the car down, the mirrors come in. The mirrors were frozen, got a lot of ice around them. It could have been that they were jammed, that popped the fuse. We'd also got water ingress within the mirrors as well. The indicators have got a lot of water around them. Could be, again, water getting into the electrics, or it could be something completely different. It could be something to do with the vacuum locking mechanism, the motor. The actual system itself could have a fault, which is popping the fuse. But it was a one-off. Once we put the fuse in, everything came back to life. Happy days. If that's been of any use to you, I hope it has, then please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.